Ready to go?
Okay, welcome everybody. The good news is our room this year isn't flooded. You were here last year, you remember we got flooded in the middle of the session, so we had to evacuate and go to another room. The bad news, as you can see, is we have a smaller room, so it's going to be pretty tight. So hang on to your seats, make sure you're running the compression algorithm every time, and hopefully we can accommodate most of you. So, the MySQL Devroom began, the first time we had MySQL talks at FOSDEM was in 2002, and then the first actual Devroom, I'm getting the dates right, was 2009. 2012 it became MySQL and Friends, and last year it became MySQL MariaDB and Friends. So my colleague Fred has been running it for many years now, and he has an intro to give you. I'm sure many of you have been asking about the number 77, so all will be revealed.
Yes. So before the first talk, so thank you, Ian. So we are managing the room together. So if you have a question for, let's say, facilities or whatever, just come to us. And so what's this number? Just keep in mind the number, right? So first I want to say thank you. Thank you to all of you. And a good FOSDEM, of course, because this is something people are forgetting, I've seen. Usually at FOSDEM you don't say good morning or good day. You always say good FOSDEM to everybody. So if you say somebody outside, tell them good FOSDEM from MySQL, from MariaDB, from which database you like, but tell them good FOSDEM. So I want to thank you to be here, but I want to thank the committee who selected the talks. I didn't put all the names. You can find them on our website, but thank you very much already. Thank you to all the submitters that submitted talks for the room, because without speakers, we don't have room. So thank you to all speakers so that accepted to talk today. And of course, thank you to you coming here and make it a successful Devroom, right? So remember that number. So first then, it's more than 1,700 submissions for full event, right? So we have 70 tracks complete in FOSDEM, so Devrooms, lightning talks, main database track, the keynotes, all that. So for example, for the main track, there is 182 submissions. This is for all projects, all main tracks projects. This is the amount. So it's quite a big amount. For containers, something very, let's say, popular these days, they have 46 submissions. For CI, they have 44. This is all stuff that developers like, and they because we should not forget, this is a developer conference, right? 41 for Go, very trending programming language right now. So they have 41 submissions. 37 for Python, which is a room bigger than us usually, completely full. Please follow the sign, guys. If it's full, it's full. 28 for JavaScript, which is also something very, let's say, trending these days. Internet of Things, 26, and 77 for our Devroom. So this is something very important for us. We got 77 submissions just for this, for today, for this room. And this is why we have so large amount of talks, very teeny, to let, let's say, the maximum of people speaking today. So, yeah, I won't say any other name, but you see how popular is our database, right? So thank you for our great community, because it's not only MariaDB, MySQL, Percona developers that make the Devroom. It's also all the people using it, all the developers using MySQL, all the users of MySQL, MariaDB, Percona, that makes this great community. And this is why it makes it so successful for us. So we are very happy about that. So thank you again. And now we're going to welcome Peter Zaitsev for the first talk of the day. Thank you.